Microsoft made its billions in software, but the allure of the hardware game has kept it busy with consoles, media players, mice, computers, tablets, and now headphones. The $349 Surface headphones are the tech giant's foray into the audiophile game. The wireless headphones sport adjustable noise cancellation and touchpad controls. That's not unexpected. But these branded over-the-ear cans also have a little friend trapped inside.
Cortana.
Microsoft is jumping into the heated battle between Sony and Bose for the best over-the-ear wireless noise-canceling headphones. Being the new guy on the block is tough. Being the new guy on the block, best known for video games and spreadsheets, makes it even tougher. Fortunately, that console background was actually quite helpful. Microsoft used what it learned from the Xbox team to build headphones that are comfortable to wear. Even after 5 hours of non-stop listening, the Surface headphones still felt light on my head. My extra-large head never felt smushed by the headphones, which is something I typically have to deal with when wearing new cans. The audio seemed to have a neutral tuning. The low-end bass was still there, but you won't mistake these for something from Beats. Meanwhile, the high-end cymbal hits felt a bit subdued. But overall, Microsoft should be proud with what it's accomplished with the Surface headphones audio-wise. The noise-canceling aspects are solid with the ability to adjust how much of the world you want to ignore. I was able to tune out my coworkers and my cats when necessary, but also able to reduce the feature when I knew someone was going to want my attention. Controlling the noise canceling feature and volume are accomplished by twisting the rings on the outside of the cans. Meanwhile, you just tap on the center of the headphones to skip songs. It's simple and doesn't require you to fumble around looking for a button. Ease of use might also be why companies are putting assistants in their headphones. Microsoft added Cortana, and frankly, I found no use for it. Hey Cortana, how tall is Master Chief?
According to Wikipedia.org, the Master Chief stands about 7 feet, 2.13 m, tall and weighs 1,000 pounds.
She gave me a lot of information from Wikipedia. I thought they were friends. The problem is, packing an assistant that requires you to be connected to a computer or smartphone in order to work doesn't add much value to the headphones. In fact, it actually hurts the headphones. Always listening for you to say, "Hey Cortana," sucks up battery life and you end up with 15 hours before you need to plug in. The Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2s, which support Google Assistant and Alexa, have 20 hours of battery life, while the Sony 1000X Mark IIIs, which also support voice assistants, last up to 30 hours. Microsoft says it's looking into an update that will allow you to disable Cortana to extend battery life. Meanwhile, nearly every computer and smartphone comes with a voice assistant that has a wake word you can trigger with Bluetooth headphones that won't burn through your headphone's battery. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Still, Microsoft has done a solid job with its Surface headphones. They sound good, are comfortable, and can help you tune out the world. But they won't be dethroning Bose or Sony. As I said, it's a heated battle between those two giants, and Microsoft, they've just started.